What's going on, guys? I just had to interrupt this beautiful process to thank you guys, everybody, for your online orders. We have over 80 pairs being packaged, processed, and shipped right now. Bruce is working very hard. Anastasia came in on her day off. We were busting these guys out. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July weekend. We got a sea full of labels down here. Box is pretty much coming up the whole store.
I know. We opened in like 20 minutes, so we gotta bang this out real quick.
Yeah, this is a disaster, but we're gonna get this done and see what deals we can go get into today.
Let's do it!
Dun 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 dun! We have a special announcement. Hello.
Hey, what's up, guys?
What is your name?
I'm Aaron. I just started here a few weeks ago, and I've been coming in the shop helping do filming, but now I'm going to be doing some stuff in store. You can find me at the Seattle Sneaker Guy on YouTube, and I'm just happy to be a part of this family. It's awesome.
Y'all get ready to start seeing Aaron's face around here more often. We added another member to the Sneak City crew. We're very happy to have you, Aaron.
Thank you.
And Anastasia has got the goods. What'd you get?
I just went to Drip Tea. Got Tia's favorite, the baby cat. It's a taro Oreo. I got, I think this one's called the cream. It's like an orange creamsicle.
Dang, you slurped that thing down already.
And then Bruce, number 5, something something or another. And I didn't know Aaron was gonna be here, so I feel bad I didn't get him one.
Oh, I just introduced him to Aaron.
Aaron, he's our newest employee. Hi, Aaron. And then what else I got? Size 10, brand new. Oreo 4s.
Oh.
Not our size. I was really bummed. Where I got them, they didn't even have our size for raffle, but I did get these. And then I got Tia and I some teas.
What kind of teas?
You want to see?
Why? What'd he do?
Size 10. That's my size.
Oh yeah, size 10.
Alright, Tia, you want to see this first I got us?
I do.
You do.
I do.
Shirt number 1.
Ooh, that's cool. They had those at Likelihood?
Uh-huh. And
Nice.
this one. Not sure what we're gonna match this one with yet.
What?
That was cool too, huh?
That's super cool, yeah. We have a ton of blue shoes. UNC's,
what I was thinking,
Hyper
UNC's,
Royals.
yeah.
Yeah, the shoes I have on.
Boom.
Nice.
Alright, now I'm out of here.
Little shopping spree.
Little shopping spree.
And then those I bought from Go too.
Okay. How much were you looking for on these?
On those I was asking, I think 55, but I'm open to offers.
Probably hold off on these, just the box label. I'd rather have like OG on, like
Yeah.
a higher end or like these. These are so nice.
I know.
I love this pair.
If they were my size, I would have kept them, but
How much on these?
I was looking for like 9.
Just cash? You look for straight credit?
Cash. These have no box. They're worn like one time.
Okay.
Size 13. And then those, I forgot. I got them like authenticated by like my local sneaker store.
Mm-hmm.
So I have the paper at home, but
Okay.
yeah, you can like call them if you want, do whatever.
Where are you from?
San Diego.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You visiting up here?
Yeah.
Nice. What are you guys up to? Just family or
yeah,
something?
just seeing family for 4th of July. But
Nice.
I've been watching your videos for a while, so I was like, I'll just come by and
Awesome,
bring some
man.
expensive
Thank you.
shoes. So I've been following you since you were like, I think like Subfed.
Oh,
or
for
whatever.
real?
Yeah.
Nice. Since like all the Supreme and stuff like
Yeah.
that. How much were you looking for on the frags?
I was looking for 28.
Okay.
Highest offer right now is 26.
Okay, and then how about on these?
On those it's kind of weird, cause it's like no box, but it's like barely worn. 14. I was gonna clean it, but it's like the bottoms.
These are super clean.
Yeah, but it takes like so much like, I think he wore it for like 30 minutes, he said, or something like that. It's so light, and it like takes like, I don't know, the Air Forces take like a lot of my cleaning stuff. So I just.
I know, it doesn't.
Yeah,
The
it's
stuff
kind of hard to
doesn't
get
work too
off.
well on
Yeah.
these soles, huh? I'm mainly interested in the reverse, I think. What would your best be on those?
on those. Do you have an offer for any of these?
The frags are probably around like 22. These guys probably around like 9. The euros, I think I would just pass on. Just that box bothers me just for as high of a dollar item as it is.
I mean, what would your offer be on the reverse?
Probably like at 7.
7. You do 8.
Probably be a little high. I'd probably stay around 7.
You wouldn't do any higher on those?
Just the same thing, like no box pairs and stuff, like especially the higher end. We just have a
Yeah.
really hard time moving them.
That one I paid like 11 after fees. So if probably have to be like around there at my lowest.
Do you have the goat on your phone, the goat confirmation for these ones?
No, because I have the. I can give you the shop if you want. You can probably call them.
I mean, they look fine to me.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm mainly interested in Tristan's guys.
Alright, can't do any more than 7.
Do you see anything like store credit maybe?
I mean, I was like, I've been trying to get like the Blue Storm unions, but like only like the price is right because I'd wear them, you know. So I don't want to lose like too much value after I wear them. Do you have any Blue Storm unions in like besides like 9, 9.5?
I think we have a 10. They're brand new though.
Oh, brand new.
Yeah.
You don't have any used unions.
No. We do not right now.
What size are the black though? The black.
I think they're 10 as well. Yeah. And they're brand new.
Brand new. Yeah, it'd probably just be the blue. It'd probably just be the Blue Storm unions honestly.
Okay.
Um,
Could you do like $7.25 cash?
I'll do 750.
That's cool. These are nice.
Oh no, yeah. I got them for like a really good deal on Goat because I had an offer on them and I forgot I had the offer on them and he just accepted it.
Nice.
So I got them for like real cheap. But
In that deal, we bought reverse shatter backboard Jordan 1s for $750.
Sell these.
Are these worn?
No, it's just I changed the laces.
Gotcha.
Just to see which color. I was thinking about it, but
They didn't make the cut, clearly.
no, they didn't.
We got like 170 cash.
Yeah.
In that deal, we bought Hall of Fame Kobe's for $190.
I know that the Waterspoons, the Air Maxes fit big. Are they a whole size big, or you find them like a half?
I think it just varies on the person and how wide your foot is.
Yeah, I think
because
it's
it's got
wide
like the
foot.
velvet
Yeah,
inside, so your
yeah.
foot moves around in it.
Does it?
So
I just
most-
hear they kind of move around, but this was an 11. I've been searching for an 11, but I think that might be a little on the side.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
I haven't
the
seen this
Euro
one yet.
special.
Yeah.
It's the Euro exclusive. I'm
Interesting.
not a Yeezy guy, but I want them both.
Hey, take your wins when you can.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, for sure. I was, I had some hope for them, but they're ugly.
Tia loves these.
Does she?
Yeah, these
Oh,
first
wow.
pair of Yeezys.
I can't believe she
like-
loves them. That's so crazy. I can't f with them. I don't like this this meshy material. It feels like an aqua sock to me. I can't really get that. The only Yeezy I want is a Wave Runner, and I'm on the hunt for those as well.
Those are one of my favorites.
But they're restocking, so I don't feel like I want to pay for them.
You would make them put the size tag.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, they put
weird.
them inside the shoe on
On the
these ones.
same
Yeah,
sole
they're different that way. Yeah.
Mono Mist.
Yeah,
That's what
one's
these
Mono
ones are
Mist,
called.
the other one's the Mono Ice, I guess.
And I'm sorry, how much did you say you wanted for both?
440. Can I try this one?
Yeah, just do it on the carpet.
Yeah.
I could do the 440 in credit, but cash I'd just be at 4 on them.
At 4.
Yeah. Payouts under retail on the Mono Ices,
Yeah.
but the brown pair's going for just a little bit more, and payouts just over retail on them.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Oh, it's all good. I think they're used anyway, so
Yeah, they
not
are.
a big deal.
Man, they actually kind of broken in. They feel fit up 11 and a half. I'm so used to wearing the 12 now, but this one actually feels pretty sad.
In that deal, we bought these 2 pairs of Yeezys for $400.
Those laces were swapped, that's all.
I actually got these today
Oh,
when I swapped them because I wanted to see how it looked, and I don't like them.
worn?
No, they're new. I have the receipt too.
Did you try them?
No, so I thought I would like the color blocking, but I don't like the velvet personally.
How much are you trying to get for them?
I was thinking like $9.50.
I think we'd be a bit under that.
Where
Maybe
you?
closer to like 830 store credit.
Couldn't do cash.
Do like 8 cash. It's just the box is damaged, so
Nah,
it's like, it affects all of that. personal care like this, like the laces and stuff. Although it's like BS, it's just like that matters to the next person.
Yeah, I could do 8 cash is fine.
You just bought them from Flight Club and then didn't want them?
I don't like them at all.
I say that they're a great shoe to look at, but as far as wearing it,
Cause
so
I was looking at the velvet and the suede, and I'm like, I wear those out once and they're done.
In that deal, we bought Strange Love SB Dunks for $800.
Use lightly. Couple hours. That one's used. Finally, things are getting back to normal around here.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's nice.
No more masks.
I would say the part that sucks though is the traffic is bad.
Yeah, I know, right?
It was
God.
nice, like leaving the house.
I remember when last year, all summer, I used to work in Tacoma and I live in Redmond.
Okay.
I used to get there pretty quick.
Yeah.
Now it's double that. P-Rods?
Yep.
I wore mine like 3 times already. P.S.
I'd kill for that shoe.
$2,000.
Yeah, I would never spend $2,000.
I should have picked them up when they were $1,000. They shot up quick too.
It's a nice shoe.
I had one pair and then I bought and traded for like 2 for like $700 or $900 a piece, and I was like, yeah, I'm cool. And then like everything started happening right after that.
Yeah.
And I sold them.
This is right before COVID?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I mean, they weren't going for like a crazy
Right.
amount
Yeah,
to get
exactly.
Travis. So it was like, oh, all right, I'll work something.
Do
out.
you have a pair still?
Nah.
No.
Yeah.
I'd be seeing you. Yeah, I'd be seeing you wearing your purple lobsters.
Oh
you
yeah.
You have the whole pack. You have the green.
Yeah, I got green and purple.
Okay.
But I don't
Was
have
it the red and yellow are tougher to get, aren't they?
Yeah. Yellow is one of the I would never.
Really? Have you ever
probably-
seen a pair in here?
I've never seen a yellow pair in person.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've seen red and blue and like
Yeah.
friends and family red and blue and
Yeah.
like not friends and family but like the special box and stuff.
Mhm.
But yellow,
Yeah, I just seen them online as well.
yeah, that's like one of those shoes I wish like that's really on the grail list, like those and
Yeah.
The Vibe Air Force Ones.
Okay.
Because I mean, it's like those are shoes I never would.
How much do the yellow ones go for? Do you know?
I mean, I see people like when they post them, they'll be like asking for a house. So I mean, it's
Yeah. That's a bag for sure. How you like working here?
it's great.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do you know Tia and Anastasia before you worked here? Or did you-
Loosely,
Loosely,
I
yeah.
would see them around like
Uh-huh.
everywhere. If it was something that had resale, they were there. But at first, I didn't know who they were. I would just be like, because it would be always be
Right.
like 30 guys, and then they would be like the only girls there. You know,
Right.
IKEA Off-White.
So they
drop.
right.
They're just there. You
Yeah.
know. So for these two,
Yeah.
it will be like around 1 cash each.
100 each.
Yeah.
How much
This
for
one
these?
will be 125.
Okay.
And then this one will be like 250.
So what's total on these? I'll probably hold on to these.
That'll be 375 for these.
All right, I'll let those go. I'll hold on to these. Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah, nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you too.
Appreciate it.
Bye.
Have a good one. Bye, Moscow. We'll see you guys soon.
All right.
See you, buddy. Slow.
In that deal, we bought these 2 pairs of shoes for $375.
The palm tree.
Bruce, Mukau.
Moscow with the palm tree cut.
Like your cut, G. All right, guys, we got some goodies today. Bruce, run them through what we bought.
We got one of those restocked secret Nike hidden Converse Off-Whites. A DS pair. We got a few of the University Blue 4s in. A lot of Dunks.
Yeah, a lot of dunks today, guys.
Chrome ball incidents. Yellow curbs. Slate blue. Neon J-Pack. The Unsupreme mids. I like the mids with no strap. Just looks better.
We got a pair of the What the Kobe 8s. Brand new, size 8.5 there. of 7.5 Men or 9 Women in the UNCs and the Grinches. Strange Loves. These guys are brand new. Go size 10. Little focus. Yeah, there we go. Brand new size 10. Want to talk about the monos?
This is just an interesting Yeezy. They still put the stripe on there. Pretty interesting. I don't think I'm really a fan of this one. I just like the regular 350 V2.
I do like the blue pair, the mono ices. Those, the brown ones, the mono mists.
Yeah.
That's a no-go for me for sure.
I don't know, it looks like someone spit on it.
I know, right? Like they spilled some coffee and it like stained it or something. Yeah, some good pairs here. Oh yeah, the new pair.
By the time y'all see this, they'll be out, but just the racer blue Jordan 3s. Don't like the cement print, but it's a nice looking shoe if you remove that.
Alright guys, like Bruce said, with those racer blue 3s, they will be released by the time this video is aired. Don't forget our videos do drop for you guys to watch probably like a week, 5 to 7 days after the actual day that we film. So all the stuff that we show you guys, if you guys message us, say, hey, is this still available? Most likely it's already gone. So if you guys are following us on Instagram, you know exactly what we get in, what day, when we list it online. Just follow us at The Sneak City. Where can they find all the pairs if they want to buy?
www.thesneakcity.com.
Like he said, thank you guys for tuning in and watching. We appreciate all the views. We appreciate all the love. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. We would really, 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 really appreciate it. Was that enough release?
Moscow more treats.
Yes.
The more subscriptions.
The more subscriptions we have, the more treats we give Moscow. So you guys, if you love Moscow, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. Thank you so much. We out.
Peace.